I have something urgent to announce to the hunters that have gathered here today. Around 2 weeks ago, Hunter Christopher Reed was assassinated by an unidentified assailant. There is a man we suspect to be the perpetrator of this crime. Suspect S.
What's this monster's relation to Hunter Sung Jin Woo? Hunter Sung Jin Woo, if Suspect S turns out to be your missing father, and other hunters attempt to hunt him down, what will you do?
It's only right that hunters hunt down monsters, and if he is indeed a monster, then I'll take care of him myself. But if he is not a monster, but rather my father, then I will protect my family, even if that means I'll make an enemy of every single hunter in the world.